Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today we'll be talking about how to work with data templates for data migration in Business Central, more specifically Excel files that we will be looking at. So first up, what we're going to do is we're going to click on our settings up here, then we're going to click on Assisted Setup. Once we click on Assisted Setup, we can click on the search bar here and look for Migrate. And so you will see we have the Migrate Business Data, which you can click on. And this is where we are going to come and import all of our Excel files or any other files that we need to import data to Business Central. Once we have clicked on that, we can do next. And you will see here, so we have the option to import from Excel, which we are going to do in this demo. But if we click on the three dots here, you will see we have also QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks. So yes, your data from QuickBooks can be migrated and added to Business Central if you want to in the future. If you are looking to switch from QuickBooks, it's very easy if you already use QuickBooks to migrate your data. Okay, so we are going to choose the Excel option. Then we're going to click on Next. And so here, this is where you are going to prepare your data. So if you click on the settings, you will see here I've already selected Canada. So right now, I'm going to show you how we can import, for instance, customers. So using a customer template, if you click on the arrow here, you will see we have Canada. And if you click on the select from full list, well, right now we have Canada, but in other versions of Business Central, you will be able to also add a new customer template if you want to. In other versions that you are going to use, you can definitely add other template and create other template right here, and they will be added to the list here. Okay, so we've got Canada, which I've already selected. And so once you've done that, you can click on close and you will have the option to download template here. So once you click on that, it will download an Excel file for you where you will have then the template, the correct template that you will need to use so that you can import your data into Business Central. So I've already done that on my side. So as you can see here, this is the Excel files that I've downloaded and that I've added some information into. And as you can see, we've got different sheets here. So we've got the GL account, we've got customer, vendor, and the item. For today, we're going to look at customer. So as you can see in the customer sheet, I've already added three customer name and it's not necessary for now to add any other information. If you want to, you can go ahead and do it, but I'm just going to add the names for today. Now, once you've done that, you're going to save your Excel file and then you're going to click on next here, and this is where you can then upload your Excel file with the completed information, which I'm going to do right now. And Business Central is going to then detect the new information that has been added into the Excel file. So as you can see here in customer, it has detected three new records, which is the three new customers that we have added. So you can click on migrate and it's going to then add those information into your Business Central platform. Click on OK, finish. So once you've done that, let's go back now. Let's go into your customer list. And if you scroll down in the customer list, you will see it has added the three customers that was in my Excel sheet here. So Florist, Cup and Cakes, and Nanotech. And if you click on one of them, and also a side note, as you can see, it has also added a customer number to them. But if you open one of them, you will see here it has also added the country, which is Canada, because I have selected Canada during the setting options when uploading the file. So then you can come here and add any other information, just like you do for any of your customer in Business Central. So that was just a quick overview to show you how you can easily files into Business Central. There's another thing also that I've wanted to show you. So if we go back to the migrate data option, so what we can do here is you will see in the settings, we had chosen customer, but you also have the option to upload items or even vendors if you've got new information that you want to upload. And you are going to do so by filling in the same template that you're going to download here and filling each of those sheets with information so that when you upload it to Business Central, the platform is going to detect each one of the information for each of the specific sheets and they are going to map it into your platform. So, hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it has shown you the quickness that we can have with uploading data from Excel to Business Central. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.